have discussed. So today we are going to learn types of fruits. So types of fruits. I think you all have taken different types of fruits in your life. You have seen different types of fruits. Yes, so fruits which are not available in our country, which are available in other country. I think you all have taken that fruits. Yes. So you have seen different types of fruits. So let us see what are the different types of fruits. What is our topic today, children? Types of fruits. So, types of fruits. What are the different types of fruits have you seen in your life? So, listen here, children. In this time, in this corona time, you have to take fruits in your daily life. You have to eat fruits to improve your energy levels. You have to take more and more fruits. That improves your energy levels and also it increases the immunity power for you. Okay, so take fruits in your diet. Okay, in your daily life you have to eat more and more fruits. So now children, see what are the different types of fruits have you seen in your life? Yes, you have seen different types of fruits. Yes. So now what did you see inside the fruits? Yes, you know what will be inside the fruits. What did you see inside the fruits? Naturally, when you eat the fruit, and what will you see inside the fruit? Yes, seeds. You will see the seeds inside the fruits. Yes, what you will see? Seeds. We find the seeds inside the fruits. Which fruits look alike and which fruits are different from the other fruits? Which fruit look very different from others and how are they different? Yes, some fruits look very similar to each other. Some fruits look very similar to each other. Some fruits are very different from other fruits. If you take lemon, apple and papaya. So if you take these three fruits, children, what are the three fruits? Lemon, apple and papaya. Lemon, apple and papaya. If you take these three fruits, they are very similar to each other. They are very similar to each other. They have outer skin. They have outer skin. If you see here, children, see this is an orange. Orange is similar to lemon. Yes. So if you see this orange, this has outer skin. No. Yes, it has outer skin and also inside. Yes, soft. And inside it is very soft and it is very juicy. Yes, it is very soft and it is very juicy. We call this inside soft part as pulp. What do we call? Pulp. Inside soft we call it as pulp. So this pulp we are eating. This pulp only we are eating. Yes. So this we are eating now this pulp. Yes, it is very fleshy. It is very watery. Fleshy means what? Watery. It is very fleshy and it is called pulp. Inside the pulp what you can see? Inside the pulp what can you see here? Yes, you can find seeds. Inside the pulp you can see the seeds. Yes, seeds are present inside the pulp. Yes, listen here children. Lemon, apple and papaya are similar to each other. These are similar. They are same. Okay. So these three fruits have skin on the outer area and inside the soft part which we are eating, that is called pulp. other fruits. So tell me children, name some fruits that are similar to apple, lemon and peas. Name some fruits which are similar to apple, lemon and peas. Say me some fruits. See here children, here we can group fruits into two groups we can make. We can group fruits in two ways. How means? One is fleshy fruits and another one is dry fruits. We can make the fruits in two groups. One is fleshy fruits and another one is dry fruits. In fleshy fruits we can find the pulp. What you can find? Yes, you can find the pulp in these fleshy fruits, and inside the pulp we can find the seeds. So examples for these fleshy fruits are apple, lemon, papaya and also guavas. These are the example of fleshy fruits. They are these are the example of fleshy fruits. They have pulp inside. Yes, they have pulp inside. Coming to the dry, and these are the examples of fleshy fruits. What are the examples? Apple, lemon, papaya and guava. Okay, and also we have so many fleshy fruits like this. We have so many fleshy fruits like this, and you can take watermelon also. It is a fleshy fruit. Yes, like that. See here, coming to the dry fruits. Dry fruits don't have pulp. Dry fruits, they don't have pulp in it. Yes. So how they are? They are arranged. They are in a pod. They are in pod or shell. These fruits they will be in. They look like pod or shell. Inside that pod or shell, we have the seeds. We have the seeds. They don't have pulp inside. They don't have pulp inside. They are where? And they are in pod or shell. The fruits will look like pod or shell. Inside the fruit we eat the seeds or nuts. We eat the seeds or nuts. Examples of these dry fruits are peas, groundnuts, and also almonds, like that. We have so fruits and some fleshy fruits like watermelon and also papaya. This skin is very hard. We cannot eat that skin. Yes, we cannot eat the skin. So tell me children, how else can we classify fruits? So like this we classify. In this way we have classified. So how can else we classify the fruits? Yes, we can classify the fruits based on their color, size, shape. Like this we can classify the fruits. Fruits can be classified on the basis of whether they are in groups or a single fruit. Groups means you can see grapes. Grapes are in groups, and single fruit means apple. Apple is a single fruit. Like that also we can do. Yes. So and also fruits can be classified on their seeds also. If the seeds are more and number of seeds, if the seeds are more and if there is one seed, based on number of seeds also we can classify the fruits. Okay children, this is our topic today, and open your textbooks. Page number 18, you have to read the topic. Okay children, and open your volume books. Page number 17, see. Both lemon and orange are fruits. How else are they similar? How else are they similar? Yes, you have to write how they are similar to each other. I said circle the pictures of fruits, sort them in two groups. You have to circle the pictures. You have to group them in two ways and you have to circle them. Okay? And you have to sort them in two groups and you have to classify here. Which group and which group you have to write that fruit belongs to, whether it is a dry fruit or whether it is a fleshy fruit, and you have to basis classification you have to give them. Yes, okay. Write 3 different ways in which fruits can be sorted based on their seeds. Yes, if the seeds are more and if there is one seed, how you can classify that fruit you have to write. Okay children? Thank you.